Hello, my name is Miranda from Bountiful, Utah. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your GMC Acadia, you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by law. Now let's take a look at how we break down this install. You will need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We're going to begin this installation by opening the cargo hatch and removing the taillights. You're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop the cover off to expose the fastener. You can now remove the fasteners with a 7mm socket and an extension for ease. You're going to gently remove the taillight by pulling rearward. Now unplug the taillight by lifting on the tab for the connector. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Using a fishing technique, you're going to route the yellow and brown wire to the driver's side taillight. Now connect the T connector to the mating connectors and reinstall the taillight. Next, we're going to route the green and white wire to the passenger side. Be sure to go above the hitch and avoid any hot metal. Using the same fishing technique, we're going to pull the green wire up to the passenger side. Connect the green T connector to the vehicle side only. Using a self-tapping screw, mount the white wire to a metal surface. Before addressing any excess slack, we need to make all connections first, so let's jump down to the wiring bracket. This bracket does not come with the kit. You can pick one up at your local U-Haul Hitch Center or order one online with the link below. Use a Phillips head and a 3/8" wrench to tighten the hardware. Now pass the dust cover through the 4-flat, run the 4-flat through the bracket, and attach the dust cover. For this install, the wiring bracket can also be placed upwards if the customer prefers it. Be sure to pull any excess slack, making sure to not pull the 4-flat from the bracket. We're going to zip tie the excess wires together and reinstall the taillight. You can now reinstall all of the fasteners. That concludes trailer wiring for the GMC Acadia. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we'll see you out there. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul Hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.